Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What is scalar array in Python? Array scalars have the same attributes and methods as ND arrays. This allows one to treat items of an array partly on the same footing as arrays, smoothing out rough edges that result when mixing scalar and array operations. Array scalars live in a hierarchy, see the figure below, of data types. What is scalar and non-scalar data types in Python? Loosely, a type is scalar if it has no user-visible components and non-scalar otherwise, and values, variables, attributes, operators, parameters, and expressions of some type T are scalar or non-scalar according as type T itself is scalar or non-scalar. Is an array a scalar value? Briefly, a scalar is one variable, for example an integer. It can take different values at different times, but at any one time it only has one single value. An array is a set of variables. In most languages these all have to be of the same type. Can a scalar be array? A scalar array is a fixed-length group of consecutive memory locations that each store a value of the same type. You access scalar arrays by referring to each location with an integer starting from 0. In D programs, you would usually use scalar arrays to access array data within the operating system.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.